Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer in Arc Mobile. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients: 40 thatch, 50 berries, and a water source like a water skin or canteen. Next, craft a beer barrel using 500 wood, 100 stone, 400 thatch, and 100 hide. Place your newly crafted barrel in a cool, shaded location to ensure optimal fermentation conditions. This setup is crucial for a successful brew. Once your barrel is placed, it's time to add the ingredients. Deposit 40 thatch and 50 berries into the barrel. Crucially, you must also place a full water skin or canteen inside to provide the necessary water for the brewing process. After everything is added, the fermentation begins. You'll need to wait for about 6 in-game hours for the beer to fully ferment and be ready for collection. Patience is key here. After the fermentation period, you can collect the beer liquid directly from the barrel. To store your brew effectively, craft beer jars. These are essential for preserving the liquid for later use. Consuming beer offers several benefits in Arc Mobile, including a temporary boost to your fortitude stat and a significant reduction in torpor effects, which can be very helpful in various situations. To maximize your beer's longevity, store your crafted beer jars in a preserving bin. This significantly extends their shelf life. For a steady supply, consider building multiple beer barrels. This allows for continuous production, ensuring you always have beer on hand when you need it. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. They're truly worth it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.